Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to close our business permanent or temporary in Google business profile. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com/business and then you see sign in, so click on it. So we have two business and then you see status verification required, verified, and then you see checkbox enable, and then you see highlighted section, one business selected, and then you see action, and then you see option permanent closed and temporarily closed option. So you can select according to requirement. Now select temporary and then you see pop-up. Business will be marked as temporary closed. You can choose to mark this business as open again at any time. So click on it and then you see message temporary closed. Again click on it and then you see action. So if you want, you can close your store permanent. So click on it and then OK, and then you see message here. And if you want to open your store again, so click on it and then you see mark this business as open, mark as open. So it's up to you. So you can open business again by using this action button. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.